What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna create a Spring Boot APIs. It's gonna be a REST APIs, and we're gonna run this in the locals to see if there is any issues we face during the runtime. It's gonna be a very simple Spring Boot project, right? So let's get started. So to start with the project, you need the Spring initializer. So what is a Spring initializer? It's pretty much you're gonna go and generate a project with your criteria and with the dependencies. I know you all know all this. Maybe if you don't know, so it's gonna be pretty much same for creating a very simple project at the very beginning. So you're gonna select the language Java. Project is gonna be a Maven project in Spring Boot 3 point, and I just put the it's just the group artifact ID, and the project name is gonna be the important one, so it has to be unique, right? So packaging is a jar, and then Java is a 17. So I wanted to add few of the dependencies since I'm gonna create the RESTful. So I say Spring Web dependencies. I need actually SQL. Okay, MySQL, since I'm gonna I need the JPS. Okay, so these are the three dependencies I need because I'm gonna create a project with the REST APIs, and I need the MySQL JDBC drivers, and also I need the JPA, Spring Data JPA. So that's pretty much it. Let's go generate the project. So once you hit the generate, you'll see that the project is gonna download as a zip file, right? So once you have that zip file, you're gonna go to your download and try to unzip the file, right? So I have these two earlier that I created, so let me just delete this two, right? The first one, so I'm gonna delete these two. So I'm gonna unzip these down, right? So let's extract in here. So once you unzip the files, so you will have the folder, right? Then you can import the folder in your as you can see right here, the folder is right there. Now you're gonna go to the Eclipse. This IDE has to be the EE versions, right? Otherwise we cannot use the regular IDE for doing the Spring project. So you need the EE, enterprise edition. So to do, we're gonna actually right click on here, and then we're gonna hit the import and go to the import, right? So we're trying to import the existing Maven project. Select that. Now let's select the root project, right? Let's go to downloads, let's go to the demo, select the folder, and make sure you select this, and then hit the finish. So once you do that, it's gonna, as you can see right here, it says 98, 93, everything looks good, the project is ready. Then you just open up the project and then go here, and then we're gonna open the applications file. So from here you can run the project, right? Is run as a Java applications. So once you do that, sometimes what happen, like if you don't have the right JDK versions, sometimes you'll see some of the error. Let's see, we have seen this error. If you seen this error, you just have to change the build path, and once you do that, the issue should be resolved. So right now, as you can see, so it just started. Let's see, so you can see it says I'm having a Java runtime issue. So it's saying that the versions of the runtime is not the one actually I'm supposed to. So once you see something like that, so you are actually somewhere missing the JDBC. So you go to the build path, configure the build path, and then you go to this library, edit here. So let's try to do alternative. So this is the one I have. If you don't have it, you can here kind of like click here, you'll see that this is the one, this is the 17 I have in my local. So make sure if you don't have it, you just do add, and then do a standard and next, just add the next, right? And then you do the, make sure you go to your local and then go to the program files and go to the Java, right? So Java JDK, so that's you don't hit anything else. So that's where is the bean folders, and you just select it, and then you change, you'll see the JDK name to JDK, and then you finished it, and everything's gonna be okay. Since I already have it, so I don't have to do anything. So this is finish, this is apply and close. So now as you can see, my versions has been changed to JDK. So now let's run the project and see what's going on. See if everything's just fine. So seems like project started. It's pretty good. No active profile. So there is still some error I see. So right here, failed, error created, right? So this is seems like the data source issues right here. So what you're gonna do, I think the driver, the JDBC driver that I had, they're actually looking for some of the properties files, and we don't have anything. So we're gonna add in here. Let me actually just copy from here that I had it before. So these are the field it's looking for. So you're gonna go here and just add it here. So this is pretty much like when you have a local MySQL, like I have this, right? You have local MySQL, and then you put the username and password when you wanted to connect with the database, right? So right now I put it in. Let's run it again to see if the applications run the successful. So not this one, definitely here we are. So let's run it and see. So sometimes you'll face this kind of issues while running the apps. To make sure you go through those, and sometimes you just Google it, right, to make sure everything's running as expected. So as you can see right now, it looks like everything looks good. We don't have no error. The moment you're gonna see Tomcat started on port 8080, that means your project has been run successfully. Once so that's how you're gonna kind of like organize your environment. Once you do that, now you're gonna start your creating the Spring Boot project. So in the next video, I'm gonna create a very simple Spring Boot project where it's gonna interact with the database, and it has a few of the endpoints, and so stay tuned. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please, if it's helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.